Whoa! What up, everybody? In today's video, something super important. As you guys can see, I had to rep my EK hoodie from back in the day, but we got some coilovers for the Del Sol. Super pumped. Oh man, I'm just so pumped. These quality on these things are so good. It's gonna be super nice to kind of find it throw on the Del Sol. That is one of the things. Get rid of this monster truck type style height. Big thing is I did not really grab a measurement before. Probably should have done that. I almost want to jack the car off again. Now let's see if I can. Yeah, let's jack the car off. No, jack the car off. See, I gotta get my Red Bull in here. But let's get this thing going. Car's up. Let's take the wheels off. Let's do it. Ignore the washer, but man, I'm kind of glad I didn't know this thing was leaking. That's crazy, but in comparison, I'm gonna get rid of the 2-inch drop right there. What I need. Oh man, it's gonna look so freaking good. And that's what I needed to do for some reason. Not want to come out. Oh my gosh, good riddance. What up, guys? Alright, so Coilovers are on. Don't mind the other wheels on there. I was testing some stuff and I couldn't decide with the 5-spoke which one looked better on which, but we got them on. I got to probably wash the car a little bit, but man, let me get it outside a little bit and we could probably get a little side shot of comparison. It's not crazy lowered, but I definitely lowered it maybe at least an inch, and it got rid of some of the monster trucking. So let's get it outside and then we could probably get some nice little side shots and go from there.